Can you guess what this is? Hello, everyone. Welcome to What's This? The game where you guess the mystery object. Today we have 5 tricky items for you to figure out. Are you ready? Let's begin! What's this? It's yellow and it looks a little bumpy. What do you think it is? Here's a bit more of a clue. Do you know what it is now? It's a banana. Did you guess that? Well done. Let's move on to the next one. Whoa, look at this texture. It's full of tiny holes. Could it be something you clean with, or is it a kind of food? Here's another look. Does this give you any ideas? It's a sponge! Great job if you got it right. What are these tiny, soft spikes? Do you think this is something you use every day? Here's a little more. Can you figure it out? It's a toothbrush. Nice work. Let's keep going. What's this? It looks like something that moves. Could it be a car, a plane, or something else? Here's another hint. This thing often goes choo-choo. It's a train. Did you get it right? Let's try the last one. Look at this. It's made of tiny metal or plastic pieces. Does this remind you of clothes or bags? Here's a bit more of a clue. Can you guess it now? It's a zip! Fantastic guessing! You did great! That's it for today's What's This? How many did you guess correctly? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more fun games. See you soon!
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.